Hi, it's John here from Small Cars Direct. Let me cut to the chase. A quick video on this car we have. As you can see, it's a 2005, so getting on for 19 years old. It's covered a mere 54,000 miles from new. It's been in the same family from new, just two owners. Has 10 service stamps, with the most recent service at 50,000 miles. An MOT through to January 2025. Just £200 tax. This is a 1.5 litre petrol engine, so it's pretty economical. Anything up to 50 miles a gallon on a run, according to the manufacturer's data. It's got alloy wheels, has got damage on the offside. As you can see, this car has had a nasty scrape all along here, along there. There's a dent in the driver's door. There's also some damage, albeit paintwork more than dents, to the front offside quarter. As a result, this is a category N car, so it's been written off for non-structural damage, probably due to that damage on the offside of the car. But mechanically, it's fine. Drives really nicely. Lovely interior. Showing the exterior is not as nice as the interior, but you can see it's got this lovely sort of beigey cream fabric interior in the back as well. It's just as clean, but it does have that that damage you can see here on the rear tailgate. There's some don't know what that is. Something's been scarred or spilt on it. It does have a great sized boot, perfect for dogs or lots of shopping. You get suitcases stacked on top of each other. Really tall boot, as you can see by the nature of the car. Also comes with a space saver spare wheel. Let's hop inside. Car comes with 2 keys as well. But you can see the door card actually pretty clean, as is the driver's seat. So when you're driving the car and you can't see the damage on the offside, actually it's quite a nice drive. Oh. It's got its little CD player, radio works, it's got AC. I'm not sure if that works. Let's check it. Let's give that a second to whir into action. It's got a good sized glove box. It's got a CD player. It's got some multi-CD actually, 3 in there as well. Show you the electric windows, down at the moment, but they do all function perfectly. And the passenger one, and then the door mirrors also will work, and they also have the power fold option as well. It's a bit late for this car given it's already been damaged on the offside, but there you have it. If you are looking for a cheap car with Mercedes badge, nice interior, nice to drive, not too bad on insurance either, economical. What else can I say good about it? It's MOT'd till January. It's just this damage which spoils it really. But like I say, it's horses for courses really. Do you want to open this bonnet now? There you go. The bonnet cap also is got this strap, which basically I think that must have broken it sometimes. So you have to open it with that little tie-on strap, but it does open should you need to top up your fluids, etc. But it's all good under here. So there you have it. Is this a car for you or not? Like I say, let's just recap. Category N, 54,000 miles, MOT until January, 2 owners from new, damage, majority of damage along the offside. Worst bit of damage, I suppose, is that dent there you can see, and then just over the rear offside quarter. But like I say, apart from that, perfectly fine. Lots of service history. Just a case of whether it's a car for you or not. If it is, then give myself, John, or Alex a call, or you can email us, have a chat about the car, any questions answered, ultimately make an appointment to come and view and take it out for a test drive if you're keen. But if not, then thanks for watching. If you are, then we hope to hear from you. Many thanks.